Hey, YouTube friends and family. I dropped seeds 11 days ago. Yes, the lazy HOA gardener is out here in the rain gardening on her day off. But I did tell you what it was. It was like some Chinese cabbage and some spinach and some purple bok choy and things of that nature. This is a callaloo, so I'm letting it stay here for now. But doing amazing from seeds. And I have trouble growing spinach, but it looked like this is going to be a winner. And these are also some beets that I need to thin out. You know, I struggle with that. Again, I'm out here in the rain, so that's what you hear. And this is another one of my DIYs that I caught on clearance and came home and repotted. It's so pretty out here with my Temu lights. Check out that Temu haul. I went to the nursery today. I got some lemongrass, put it in a pot. You see my calamondine from seed done died. She done bit the dust, but it's still some life in that stem, so I'm hoping it comes back. I've been giving it a little more attention. These beds are biting the dust right now. They got onions from January and this comfrey and some onions from January. But I did go ahead and pick up some Georgia collard starts. I still have this old nasty Everglade tomato. I want to give it away. Anybody in Jacksonville, Florida, reach out, comment below. If you want it, you can come get it. I do not like them tomatoes. They are invasive. They come back every year by themselves. But then I did some Georgia collards. Worm bin still coming through. This bed does amazing because of that worm bin. I did put a little bone meal and blood meal to give my starts a good, to reduce the shock of them and help them establish in the bed. But then I have some broccoli, and then I have cauliflower, and the eggplant seeds that I dropped, they sprouted. It's either the eggplants or the pineapple squash, can't remember which one, but I moved 2 of them over here. I hope I didn't move them too soon and damage them, but that's what they're doing. We still got the pepper bed. Since we in Florida and the peppers are perennials, I'm leaving them things. And I have a mix of stuff. Don't ask me what, but I know that's squash, eggplant, garlic chives. I just planted out these totes. I even added one to the mix and threw one away because it was chipping. They are good for about 2 to 3 years. But everything's sprouting that I planted. And again, we'll see what it is when it comes up. But I just wanted to give you a quick garden tour. These greens are left over from last year. I'm really just using them as bug traps. I didn't pull all my potatoes because they was looking kind of skanky. And I was like, ugh, I need to give these some more time. So I'm just letting them grow some more. And I topped them off and added some food. So yeah, we still out here growing. The lazy HOA gardener is still a gardener in an HOA community doing her thing. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and come along and join us. We are still gardening. So I have this that I'm going to plant out with lettuces, this that I'm going to plant out with lettuces, and I got some other seeds that I got from Baker Creek, some amaranth, lettuces, and things like that. So I had to leave it all. Child, it's raining out here. I'm gonna go take me a hot soak or a shower or something. And yes, this whole back porch is a hot mess, but I brought you in here to show you my harvest. This is all the potatoes I got out of 2 totes, a bucket, and some of them are out here rotting. And they were I'm going to pick through them and pick out what can be eaten, scrub them up, and roast them or something over like a week's time just to eat them. But yeah, this is what we are doing. The lazy HOA gardener is still gardening. Yes, she's here. She's doing her thing. Yes, she is. So I hope you like this video. Whew. And I was tired, boss. I was so tired. I just wanted to bring a short update. Look at this tree. The trees in the house. I actually did end up getting rid of one of those monsteras. And I put it back there outside around the tree that I had to get somebody else to finish pruning this year. And it's doing good. And then I got, remember this plant? That was a clearance plant. I think that pot was way too small. I need to upgrade it already because it's struggling in there. It's doing good, but I think it could do better in a bigger pot. So yeah, we still doing it here a little bit at a time. And I'm tired. So you get out there and get tired too with me. Get you some food growing, some fresh food where you know where it came from. And make your backyard your grocery store. I love you to life. The giveaway is coming. Just be patient. It's too many scammers, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it without anybody getting scammed or reached out to. So I'm still working on a method. And trust me, when it comes, it will be good. Just hang in here with me. Love you to life. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. HOA Gardener. Out. Off to the showers. I'm tired. Bye-bye.